Want to learn web coding faster without reading and watching confusing tutorials online? No worries. In this 3 or 4 minutes video, I will show you step-by-step process on how you can learn web coding much faster and easier. Let's jump right in. Step number 1, master the fundamentals first. When you try to learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Git, API, Postman, Node.js, Python, PHP all at once, you get overwhelmed and confusing. And this is one very big mistake. This is one very fatal mistake that beginners and starters make. Instead, what you can do is this: learn only the fundamentals. Learn only the fundamentals, which in this case are HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Once you are able to learn these 3 fundamentals that I've listed to you very, very well, including practicalizing them, learning other programming language will be 10 times easier and faster for you. So we'll move over to step number 2, which is avoid watching, start practicing. Yeah, start practicing. Now, to implement this, it's very simple. You just need to follow the 50-50 rule, which is 30 minutes watching or studying or reading, then 30 minutes practice by building. And you can start by building tiny projects such as homepage, calculators, login, to-do list, and many others like that. And surely, this will help your learning process. This will help your code learning process faster and easier in no distance time. So step number 3, which is get instant feedback practice. Now, while practicing, you need to see the end results. You need to see the end result of your work instantly, immediately. And there are several feedback tools that can help you with that. We have the VS Code with Live Server, we have the Code Pen, we have the Replits. These tools that I've mentioned and many others are capable of giving you that instant feedback that you need, so that every time you make a change or you make an edit in maybe in a line of code, you will get to see your results instantly, and that will help you to checkmate mistakes, correct errors, and to see if you are on the right tracks, to monitor your progress, to see if you are making progress in your learning of web coding. So step number 4, utilize the power of AI tools. Yes, AI tools such as ChatGPT can assist you in solving small problems, like explaining certain errors, getting quick answers, and maybe if you are given a large project and you don't understand, you can ask ChatGPT to help you to simplify such projects and many others like that. Now, these AI tools, you can use them, just use them to assist you by the side, but you should not be used as your main tutor. It should not be used as your main tutor at all, or your main lecturer, or you shouldn't be getting your main full tutorials from them, because that may be tantamount to teaching or using AI to help you solve problems or help you do the coding yourself. No, but just use it once a while to assist you in answering small questions, solving little issues like that. So step number 5, copy smart. Now, what do I mean? So if you happen to come across any part of any website that you fancy very well, such as buttons, headings, footers, layouts, logins, you can start by rebuilding them on your own and make little changes to them. Maybe the little changes can be in form of color or in design or any other thing as well. And by doing this, it's not that you are not studying, but you are simply learning the language of modern web design style. And the last step, which is step number 6, follow a micro project roadmap. Now, do not just jump into building massive projects. Rather, I would advise that you start building from the easiest. Which is the HTML practice, the CSS layout, the JavaScript basis, to the most difficult, which is the mini projects, building full websites and portfolios for that matter. And this step number 6 is very, very crucial, in the sense that it's going to seal you as a professional web developer if you do this practice on a constant basis, if you do this practice on a daily basis. So finally, these are the steps from step 1 to step 6. And in summary, they are: start very simple, start with the fundamentals first, then practice more often, get instant feedback while you're practicing to monitor your progress. Make use of AI tools. I recommend using ChatGPT to help you to solve little issues that may be confusing to you. Now, copy very smartly. Copy websites, copy some parts of websites and see if you can design them and copy them into your main website that you are designing, or your project, or your portfolio, or anything that you are doing at all, with just some little editing or some little changes. Now, lastly, carry out a micro project part. Carry out a micro project roadmap or part, in the sense that list various mini projects that you want to do, starting from the most easiest to the most difficult. So these steps, I've listed these steps in the video description below. Look in the video description below, you will see these steps here. So that will be all for now. If you have any questions or you have anything to say, drop them in the comment section below, and I'll be available to respond to your questions one by one. So till I see you in my next video, bye for now.